Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Wear eye protection and nitrile gloves when working on the mirror assembly. Safety prevents cuts from sharp tabs and broken glass. Use a plastic trim tool, 8 mm socket, and a heat gun set to 200 degrees F to reduce clip stiffness and soften adhesive on heated caps. Disconnect the battery negative terminal before touching any mirror wiring to avoid short circuits, and wait 2 minutes for systems to power down. Park on level ground. Set the parking brake and fold the mirror fully in to expose the cap seams. Start at the lower rear seam and gently pry outward with a plastic trim tool to disengage clips. Keep pressure low to avoid cracking the cap. Work along the perimeter, releasing 3 to 5 plastic clips until the cap lifts freely, feeling each tab release as you go. If resistance persists, apply 200 degrees F heat for 30 seconds to each stubborn area before prying again to soften any adhesive or frozen clips. Once the cap has one side free, pull straight back to avoid bending internal clips and set the cap on a soft surface. Locate and unclip the mirror indicator connector by pressing the small tab and pulling the plug straight out. Do not pull on wires. Inspect each clip for damage and replace any broken clip with OEM-style replacements before reassembly, because damaged clips cause poor fit and wind noise. Align the cap tabs, push until each clip audibly snaps, and tighten any fasteners to 5-7 nm if applicable to the model. Test mirror folding, indicator function, and mirror adjustment, then reconnect the battery negative terminal and recheck operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.